Friends, look around, a new age is dawning, the age of artificial intelligence. It's not just for scientists anymore, it's for you, for creators, for storytellers. AI is here to change how we make things. Think of an idea, now imagine bringing it to life. Vividly, quickly. That's the power we're unlocking. This isn't a scene from a sci-fi movie, this is happening right now, let's go. Let's introduce your new creative crew. These AI tools are like specialized instruments on a spaceship, each designed for a unique task. First up, ChatGPT. Think of it as your personal wordsmith, your linguistic co-pilot. It can write blog posts, poems, scripts, emails, you name it, give it a prompt and watch it generate text. It's not magic, it's sophisticated algorithms, but it feels pretty magical. Next in our toolkit is Midjourney. This one is a visual virtuoso, an AI artist. You describe an image, Midjourney takes your text, and it generates breathtaking visuals. Pictures born from pure imagination, no brushes, no canvas, just your creative command. So, why is AI such a cosmic game-changer for creativity? It's simple, really. AI acts as an incredible accelerator, a booster rocket for your ideas. It helps shatter traditional barriers. Think about limitations. Limited time, limited budget, limited technical skills. AI helps you blast right through them, it frees you up, allows you to focus on the pure act of creation, the story, the vision. ChatGPT can be your brainstorming partner. It can suggest plot twists, character arcs, dialogue options. It's like having an always-on, endlessly patient muse. Section 4, From Spark to Spectacle, your AI content journey. How do you actually navigate this new creative cosmos? It's a straightforward voyage, a clear launch sequence. From a tiny spark of an idea to a full-blown spectacle of content. Step 1. Start with your concept, your vision. What story do you want to tell? What image do you see in your mind's eye? What message do you want to send out into the universe? Get that idea down. Even a simple sketch, a few notes. That's your North Star. Step 2. Select your AI co-pilots, your tools. Need compelling text? ChatGPT is ready. Craving stunning visuals? Midjourney awaits your command. Dreaming of dynamic video? Runway is your go-to. You might use one, or you might use a constellation of them. Your project's mission will determine the necessary equipment. Choose wisely, but don't be afraid to experiment with different tool combinations. Step 3. Craft your prompt. This is your communication with the AI. Section 5. The human element. You are the stargazer. AI tools are incredibly potent. Like the James Webb Space Telescope, they let us see further, create with more power than ever before. But remember, a telescope is just an instrument. We, humans, decide where to point it. We interpret the data, we find the meaning in the starlight. Your unique perspective, your creative soul, that's the irreplaceable core. It's the human spark. The AI can draft a story, but you infuse it with genuine emotion, with subtle humor, with profound wisdom. The AI can generate 1,000 images, but you select the one that resonates, the one that tells your story. You add the finishing touches, the context, the narrative. It's your storytelling ability, your taste, your artistic intuition that elevates AI output from mere data to meaningful art. That's your cosmic signature. Don't be a passive recipient of AI generation. Be an active collaborator, a discerning director. The cosmos is waiting.